This morning is Mary Jo Kvasnicka, mother of Jackie, and Matt Clark from Cohn Stiles here to talk about the walk that you guys have coming up, the Walk Like MADD. And this is an opportunity for people to really stand up to this issue. What do you say?
Absolutely. It's several things. One, it's a way for us to get our message out there, right? MADD's message is drunk driving needs to end, and MADD won't quit until there are no more drunk driving crashes. That's MADD's goal. And so this walk allows us to get that message out there. It's one of the most popular walks in Kern County at this point. In fact, we compete with the Fog Run each year in getting out somewhere between 800 and 1,000 people to hear the message.
You know, this is something that we don't necessarily talk about on the news every single day, but I mean, last night, overnight, I was just looking through the arrest log from the Kern County Sheriff's Department, and it showed that they arrested 4 people yesterday. On a Tuesday, 4 people arrested, and that's just with the Sheriff's Office. Right. That does not include any other law enforcement agency, and you know, the average is about 12 people per day, a little more than 11. Mary Jo, we just saw your story this morning. How does that affect you 4 years later after your daughter's death? And still seeing this become such a huge issue in the county?
Well, as we've discussed before, it's totally preventable. So to see that it does have those statistics still is just, it's almost ridiculous. And as Matt was saying, that MADD would love to see these ended completely. And you made a point before, Alex, that those are the ones that were caught.
Right.
Who knows about all those that are driving out there that go undetected? And what a scary thought that is. And to know that that's happening all day long. It's never, again, just a seasonal thing or a nightly thing. It's constant. It's
not just on the weekends. It's not just during the holidays. I mean, this really does happen every night. And again, you know, the arrests those are the ones that just happen to get caught. So again, this is a way, this walk that's coming up is a way for people to take a stand and say, no more drunk driving, no more driving while high, and get the resources that they need as well, if they know someone.
And I appreciate that you mentioned driving while high, because driving under the influence of drugs has become a far more significant issue, with marijuana becoming more prevalent and with prescription narcotics becoming just so common. That is a really big issue. So it's not just drunk driving, it's impaired driving in general.
And I think the important message too is that there are so many resources available for people to get help. And if there is someone who does struggle with substance abuse, they can get help. If there's someone that knows of someone who struggles with substance abuse, a friend, a good family member, they can reach out to see how can I, go about reaching out to someone to talk to them about this issue. So, and this is one way you can take a stand, is come out to the walk on, again, it is happening on Saturday at the Park at Riverwalk. Registration begins at 6:30 a.m. If you would like more information, go to the website on your screen. Again, this is happening on Saturday, and it is such a popular event, and because unfortunately it does affect so many people here in Kern County.
It does. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much for coming in this morning. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Alex.
All right, we'll be back after this.